Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to manually turn on your PS5 with the power button. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're borrowing a friend's PS5 and you actually don't even know how to turn it on. Well, no worries guys, I recently ran into this issue and so here's how you solve it. In order to turn on your PS5, you need to go ahead and look at the front of the PS5 and it's actually towards the bottom end. So right over here, you're going to see the PS5 logo. You'll see the power button, which is the last button here. You want to press it once, and that is going to turn on your PS5. So right now, the light's turning blue to indicate that it's turning on. And so with that, obviously just make sure that the power cord is connected to the outlet and as well as the HDMI cord is connected to the TV. But that should go ahead and turn on your PS5. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and manually turn on your PS5 with the power button. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.